Skyportz opens global vertiport database, reveals modular vertiport design. By DroneLife staff writer Ian M. Crosby. This week, electric air taxi developer Skyportz opened its property partner database globally, allowing for registrations from potential vertiport locations anywhere in the world. Additionally, the World Air Taxi Congress in Istanbul, Turkey saw the announcement of a modular vertiport design able to be shipped to any location. These new vertiports, designed by Contreras Earl Architecture with site-specific input from Arup and To70 Aviation, are capable of being deployed in separate components and shipped anywhere in the world. Battery charging infrastructure will be provided by leading electric aircraft developer Beta Technologies. Skyportz announced the first Australian vertiport partnership last week at Caribbean Park in Melbourne. With the development of a vertiport in a business park, we are breaking the nexus between aviation and airports. For this industry to succeed, it needs to have policymakers and property owners pushing the envelope to support new mini airports in locations people want to go. The Caribbean Park design is for 3 active pads and multiple charging bays. This announcement today is about bringing to the world the same incredible design with options for a more compact and affordable unit that can be shipped and installed in advance of the aircraft operating, said Skyportz CEO Clem Newton-Brown. We are already getting interest from existing helipad networks operated by tourism operators such as Microflight in Australia. Skyportz can provide a branded network with Beta charging facilities ready to operate as soon as the eVTOL aircraft are available. Another good application is retrofitting existing buildings and multi-level car parking garages. The vertiports can be used for other purposes for now, such as event spaces, cafes, bars or meetings rooms, and be ready for aviation activation when the time is right. During the Congress, Mr. Newton-Brown emphasized the urgency for the property industry and policymakers to allow for the establishment of vertiport networks. The frontrunners have had over $10 billion invested into aircraft development in the last year. This investment needs to be doubled down into vertiport infrastructure if the business cases are to be realized. There is no point developing these aircraft if they can't land in new locations. Currently, no jurisdiction anywhere in the world has established definitive rules, regulations, or standards pertaining to new vertiports. Skyportz is offering the property industry a chance to get on the front foot and install these lightweight, affordable vertiports in advance of being able to actually use them. We don't need to wait for the policymakers. These buildings can be used for other purposes for now and will be on site and ready to activate for aviation in the future, said Mr. Newton-Brown. With our vertiport database growing daily, we can assemble networks of sites in any launch market sought by investors.